Hello everyone. Today we'll engrave a 2.5D kitten pattern inside crystal using our 3D crystal engraving machine. First, power on the machine. Press the power button, release the emergency stop, and switch on the fan. Next, find and record the machine's Wi-Fi connection URL. Send your 2.5D image file to this URL to transfer the design. Measure the crystal's length, width, and thickness. Measurement results are as follows. Thickness is 18.9 millimeters, width is 60 millimeters, length is 75 millimeters. In the settings, select the engraving template and enter width and length values smaller than the actual dimensions. Input the height setting to define the image height inside the crystal. Input the measured crystal thickness. Click Locate to adjust and confirm the engraving position. Once everything is set, click Print